Hello everyone! So if you want to resolve connection issues between your XIAOMI Watch S3 as an Android smartphone, first of all, we are to check Mi Fitness application. So let's ensure that we have the latest Mi Fitness version updated. Let's open up Play Store on our phone, press search, press Mi Fitness. And as you see, I don't have a button to update it, so it means my application is up to date. Now, let's open up settings on our phone, let's open up connections, Bluetooth, and make sure that your watch is connected. Because sometimes, if you don't see it connected, you're to locate the settings and enable it. If the watch still won't connect, you can perform a factory reset on your watch. So on the watch screen, you're to open up you're to press the top button to open up your settings. Now find your settings, scroll down to your system and press on a factory reset. Now simply confirm your choice by pressing erase all data. Give it a second to turn off. On your phone, in your pair device section, your Bluetooth, tap on the cog, press unpair. Confirm your choice by pressing unpair. Alright, now let's wait for our watches to load up. Alright, now choose a language, and they're already in the pair mode. On your phone, make sure to turn on your Bluetooth, and let's open up our Mi Fitness application. And as you see, our watch automatically offers us to pair. So let's try it out. Simply press pair, confirm your choice on your watch, press add in your device, and basically that's it. We've got our watch paired again, and we are ready to start it all over. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.